Hey there, I'm Andrea Olson from Tiny Undies and Go Diaper Free, and these are my tiny trainers. They come in 4 different colors. These are basically my Tiny Undies brand underwear with a padded center. You won't be able to see it on the white ones very well. Those are natural and undyed. These aqua blue ones I'll show you here. There is padding in this center portion here. So you can see that. We've got an extra thick needle punched cotton padding in the middle. All the other trainers on the market that are affordable anyway have polyester down the middle, and the pee will go straight through them, like Gerber's, for example. I made tiny trainers because I needed something for that kind of in-between stage, for naps, for nighttime, while doing elimination communication and also having my children potty trained early. These will hold a medium-sized pee keep it from getting on the ground. If you have pants over these, it will get the pants wet. But when we tested all the different inserts when I was pregnant with my second child a long time ago, we found that this was the most absorbent training pant insert that we could use. So these are aqua blue. The aqua blue and the blackberry purple show wetness almost immediately. So if you're doing observation to learn your baby's timing for EC, then this will show up wet really, really fast, whereas the white ones you won't see as much. But these are really good, just sort of neutral trainers as well. They start at 6 months and they go up to 4T. And the reason I don't do a 5T in these particular trainers is because by then, if you follow my methods of EC and potty training, you shouldn't have a need for training pants anymore at that age. Okay, so these are the Learn trainers. Just like my Learn undies, they have Bear from my board book. The child puts it on the ground. Is Bear looking at you? Okay, and they turn it around so Bear's looking at them. They grab the orange handles, put one leg into blue and one foot into green or gray, and then pull up with the handles that are right here. So these are really good at teaching self-dressing, and they go nicely, and they pair nicely with my board books as well. And we have a stuffed bear as well that you can get as a potty companion just to help make sure we get that pee in the potty. So there are 4 different styles available on the tiny trainers, and sizes 6 months, which is if you're working on EC and you're doing observation, you want your baby to be more mobile and have no diaper bulge in between their legs so they can really move around. Getting the 6-month trainers are great to give your baby that freedom, and all the way up to 4T. Now, if you want a little bit of extra protection, you can also check out my Tiny Ups. You can put those over top of the tiny trainers, and I'll talk more about those on the Tiny Ups page of this website. But basically, this will give you, you can hear it, a PUL cover on top of the trainers, so you can put your child who's already poop trained in this over these trainers at daycare, and it'll keep their pants dry for the most part. So we also have our new wool ups. You can pair the wool ups over top of tiny trainers as well, just to keep that moisture from getting onto the pants or onto the floor if they're just hanging out in their undies. All right, so that's tiny trainers. I hope you love them.